Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are nice and healthy and everyone's family is doing well. For me personally, at this moment in time, nobody in my family is sick as a result of what's going on in the world currently, and we pretty much just been self-isolating, only seeing like certain family members and just mostly staying indoors, working on house projects, watching a lot of Netflix, occasionally going on walks, and just going to the grocery store. So I think it's important to keep some social interaction during times of crisis. So let me know how the current world situation is affecting you and your household. So my most recent sale was a pair of Fila women's pants. So my wife actually picked this up at a thrift store for around $5. I think we sold it for $14. So around an $8 profit on that item. That's the only thing that sold recently. We haven't really been working towards the eBay business because we've been doing a lot of stuff around the house. And I was just looking at the numbers for my eBay business for this year. As of this moment in time, my eBay business has generated about $100 in profit, and I only sold how many things this year so far? I only sold about 10 items. I haven't really listed that much this year, and it's something I've been meaning to really get back into, but I've just been taking kind of a small break. I have about 30 listings at the moment, and I do believe my wife has a similar amount, just because it's been a crazy year so far. So moving forward, once we actually get all of the household projects that we need to get done before it starts getting warm out, because we have a bunch of projects that we have in mind that we wanted to finish up before it gets to summertime, and then we have a bunch of outside projects that we want to do. So that's why my eBay videos have been lacking recently, just because if I don't sell anything, then there's nothing for me to really talk about. And that's been the general basis of this particular YouTube channel. I started making videos, poker related videos on my secondary channel, also started talking about current events. And I really wanted to make videos similar to what I've been making on my secondary channel. So if you guys want to go support the secondary channel, I've been publishing more over there. I'm currently trying to get it monetized, and at this point, the only thing I need on there is watch time. So I'm planning on continuing my poker series, which I have over there, and I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with this particular YouTube channel. Do I want its main focus to just be eBay videos? Like I mentioned previously, I'm always going to be continuing the eBay series as long as I'm selling on eBay. And even though sales have been really slow for me, just as a result of not really listing anything, in addition to the thing that's happening in the world right now that is impacting everyone, I don't think people really want to spend money at the moment, which is totally understandable, especially with people that might be out of work at the moment. I'm still working and my wife is still currently working, so that isn't a real big issue for us. But we still aren't spending really at the moment, just because we've just been stuck indoors and working on household projects and haven't really been getting takeout food or anything since we're home the whole time. We don't have to go out and just buy food and bring it back. So waiting for everything to calm down a little bit, and then we'll see where we take this YouTube channel. But I want to give a little bit of financial advice and how I manage my finances. So I'll be talking about that in future videos. I've also taken an interest in investing in stocks, so there's a chance I may make a couple of those videos as well. But if you have any suggestions or anything you really want to see from this YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you want to see gaming, I know the Call of Duty Warzone game type is out, and I've been meaning to try that, so I might do a live stream of that, or I might do like a series. We'll see. We'll have to see where we go with it. Like I said, I've never really had a clear direction with this YouTube channel, but now that I'm managing two YouTube channels, I feel like I can make one channel a specific thing and then the next channel a specific thing. Right now, my second channel is going to be focused around like current events, talking about trending topics in addition to poker, and I'm trying to figure out what to do here. So feedback is appreciated. If you only want to see eBay videos, let me know. Let me know how your eBay business is going, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.